Air fryer avocado fries.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. First thing you're going to do is take 2 avocados. You're going to peel them, going to cut them in half, and then you're going to take each half and slice it up into little wedge shapes. You'll need 3 bowls. First bowl will have half a cup of flour and a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then just combine that together. And in the second bowl, you're going to put half a cup of breadcrumbs and again a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Stir that together. Third bowl will have 2 eggs, tablespoon of water, and again a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Now you can season this however you want, using whatever seasonings that you prefer. So you just take your little avocado wedges or slices, dip them into the flour, then into the egg mixture, and then into the breadcrumbs. Now this is what the recipe says to do, but what I decided to do was to double dip these. So I took the dip pieces, I put them back in the egg, and then back into the crumbs, just to give it a little bit extra coating. And then to cook these, you're going to put them in your air fryer, of course. I spray my air fryer basket with a little bit of canola oil in a spray can. And then I arrange the avocado pieces in the bottom. And then you need to bake these in your air fryer for about 8 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit until they're nicely browned, and I turn them over at the halfway mark. At the 4-minute mark, I opened it and switched them over. While you're waiting for your little avocado fries to cook, you can make some sauce. This is like a Siracha sauce, Sriracha mayo sauce. That's half a cup of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and a couple of tablespoons of cider vinegar. And then Sriracha sauce to your taste. I don't like super spicy, so I started off with about 3/4 of a teaspoon of Sriracha. I stirred it and then realized whisking would be better. And then I tasted it, and then I thought I could probably use a little bit more, so I added about another half teaspoon. Original recipe where I found this in a magazine asks for a tablespoon, but that's completely up to you. Then put this in the fridge and let it chill a little bit. And there they are. They turned out awesome. They're nice and crispy on the outside, and then you've got that wonderful avocado in the middle. The only thing that I would do differently the next time was I wouldn't double dip them. I wouldn't double coat them because I found the breading a little bit too much. And I probably would also make my avocado wedges just a little bit smaller. Other than that, this makes a really fast and easy appetizer or a snack. I have another air fryer appetizer or snack on my channel. These are bacon wrapped Parmesan crackers. These are delicious and also easy to do. If you want to see this, click on your screen. Thanks for watching.